Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can sell videos on Squarespace. So let's get right into it. Now, you can sell whatever you want pretty much on Squarespace, and included in that are digital products. Now, digital products are just files which you upload to the site, which your customers can then purchase and download once they purchase them. Now, to do so, you just need to add products to your site. Now, firstly, you're going to need to add a store page, and I already have one, but I'm going to delete it just to show you guys how that is done. Just click the plus either under main navigation or not linked, select store, then from the pop-up, select a layout for your store. I'll select this one, and I'll just keep the store one title, and it's going to add a lot of different random products which are just placeholders. I'll just delete all of them. And now once you do that, you can click here to create a product. You can do this exact same thing through the products and services tab over here, or I'm not sure what it's called. Yeah, it is products and services, but you can also do it from the store page, which is very, very fine. So I'll just do it like that. And now I just click create a product. And for this, of course, you're going to be selecting download, which is a digital product. Then just select that, and here you just need to name it and add a description and add all the other information. I'll just name it like this. You can add an image as a thumbnail, for example, if you want, and then you can upload your file over here. You need to set the price to whatever you want it to be. I'll set it to 15. You can add a category, you can add a tag, you can use selling tools, optimize your SEO and URL options, optimize your social share, checkout forms, and checkout and buttons can also be modified if you so wish. And then once you're done with it, you can either save it to edit it later, schedule it for a release in the future, or publish it, which I will do immediately. And as you can see, I need to upload a file, which I don't have, but pretty much once you upload the file and publish it, people will be able to buy your videos. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.